Ever wondered where the fuse box is located in your 2025 Chevrolet Malibu, or which fuse controls key components? In this video, we'll guide you through the fuse box locations and provide a clear diagram to help you troubleshoot with ease. Engine compartment fuse block. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu engine compartment fuse block, located on the driver's side, protects key electrical components like ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and ignition systems. It includes a fuse puller for easy fuse replacement and a diagram for identifying fuse assignments. Instrument panel fuse block. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu's instrument panel fuse block, located on the driver's side, safeguards electrical components such as power windows, the HVAC blower, amplifier, and the radio. It provides easy access for fuse inspection and replacement to maintain system functionality.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.